Better the cottage where one is merry than the palace where one weeps. Respect your body when it's asking you for a break. Respect your mind when it's seeking rest. Honor yourself when you need a moment for yourself. There are two kinds of perfect people: those who are dead and those who have not yet been born. One of the hardest things in life to learn are which bridges to cross and which bridges to bum. Keep your head clear. It doesn't matter how bright the path is if your head is always cloudy. Some people don't see how much you do for them. They only see what you don't do. If people treat you like an option, leave them like a choice. Before you speak, let your words pass through 3 gates. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? To change your life, you must change your thinking. No one is born ugly. We're just born in a judgmental society. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Worry about WHY. You're worried about what I'm doing. Some people don't see how much you do for them. They only see what you don't do. Being ignored is painful, but it's also a sign that it's time to let go and move forward.